everybody.
I am Ava, so I am upstairs.
This is Ava, and how old are you, Ava?
3.
3 years old, and you're gonna draw today on Hey Kids, Let's Draw, right? What are we gonna draw?
The red-nosed
Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Yes, Ava is my helper today, and we're actually gonna use markers. This 3-year-old is gonna use markers, and Mom never lets her use markers, but Dad will. So thanks for joining us today. Say, see you soon.
Bye.
All right.
I like this marker.
You like that marker?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a little
I like
bit
that.
beautiful.
Yes. We're here with Ava. And how old are you, Ava?
3.
3. And we're gonna draw what?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Now I'm giving Ava a 3-year-old, a black marker, which might not be the smartest idea, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, stay on the paper and do what I do. First, we're gonna draw a big circle. Can you do a circle? Good job. And this might be a little advanced for a 3-year-old, but hey, we're having fun. And then make a curved line that goes up. Good. And on the other side, let's do a curved line that goes up. Yes, you're doing so good. Do you love Christmas? What do you love about Christmas?
The snow.
The snow. Do you love Rudolph and the reindeer?
Yeah.
Me too. That's so good. Okay, now we're going to do an ear. So we're going to do a little U shape.
Okay.
Good job. Now other side, let's do another U shape.
I will do it on the sky.
Okay. And let's connect this with a rainbow shape. Nice. Let's do another rainbow over here. What does Rudolph do?
He flies
He flies. Who does he fly?
with Santa.
Oh, with Santa Claus. Good job. Let's do can you connect that to that ear? Like a big rainbow? And make a head like this. Bonk. Good job. Yours is looking so good. I love the circle nose and the 2 ears. It's looking good. Okay, we're gonna draw some antlers. Do you know what antlers are?
Yeah.
What are they?
They're just ears.
Boop. Boop. Can you do 2 of them? Good. Antler number 1. Do antler number 2. Okay, these are deer antlers. They're like, some people call them horns, but they're not horns, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do. What letter does that look like?
U.
A U?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of looks like a U.
It looks like a W.
Good job. Do another one on the other side. Are you loving the markers?
Yeah.
You always want to play with markers, huh? And Mom never lets you. But Dad will let you, huh? Let's
Yeah.
do 2 more. 1 right there and 1 right there. Okay. Do another one on the other side. Good job. Now let's do the nose area. I'm going to do we're going to do a rainbow right here. Watch Daddy. A rainbow. Good. Now should we do some eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do you know what an oval is? I'll do an oval. You watch Daddy, and you do what I do. An oval is kind of like a circle.
Okay.
1. Can you do that?
It looks a little bit small.
It's a little bit small. That's okay. I'll do another one over here. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just having fun, huh?
Yeah.
Do another one. Good job. That looks really good. Now we like the highlight, so I'm going to do another circle in there. Good job. That's a hard circle for a 3-year-old. You're doing good. Yes. Okay. Now leave that white, and we're going to color this black. Can you color it black like this? Inside the eye. Ooh, good job. Leave that white part. Oh, that looks so good. Look, you left the white part. That's called a highlight. Can you say highlight?
Highlight.
Highlight. That's where the light hits the eye. Okay. And I'm going to do a highlight on the nose. We're going to do a circle. It's kind of like a raindrop. And we'll leave that one white too.
I just want to do it like this.
Okay, are you ready to color?
Yep.
Can you put the lid on? Let's do some red. You ready?
Yeah.
Because what color of nose does Rudolph have?
Red.
A red nose, huh? Okay, here we go. There's your red. Careful not to get it on your hands or your clothes. And we're going to start coloring.